Silver River is a 5-mile spring-fed river. It begins at Silver Springs, where over 500 million gallons of water come from underground every day, and it ends at the Ocklawaha River. You might even see a manatee when you go canoeing on the river like we did. On some days, a log like this would be full of sun-basking turtles. Alligators are another common sight on the river. As long as you keep your distance, they're perfectly safe for you to enjoy looking at. This anhinga is drying off its wings after catching fish in the river. Another type of diving bird that swim into the water to catch their meal. Although we didn't see one on our trip, rhesus macaque monkeys can also be spotted along the Silver River. They're not native to Florida. They were brought here many years ago as a tourist attraction.
Good day so far. Are you ready for a campfire?
Yes.
All right. We've got some rules around a campfire, don't we?
Yep. Yes.
Okay. Once we get this fire started, should we run around the campfire ring? No. Why do we always need that bucket of water?
Oh, so if the fire spreads, we can put it out.
Okay. So I think we've talked about safety. Oh, there's one more thing, isn't there? Should you start a fire without a grown-up?
No.
No, never ever. Okay, so we need to learn how to make this fire. Ethan, you're pretty good at making fires, aren't you? Mm-hmm. Can you teach us how you make a campfire? All right, what's the first thing you're gonna do?
I'm gonna make a log cabin base.
Okay, make a log cabin base. Do you see what he's doing, Avery?
Yep.
All right, so they're almost in a square. Like you're building a log cabin.
Center.
Crumbled paper in the center. What comes next? Okay, what are these?
They're pinkies. I mean pencil tips.
Okay, so twigs the size of pencil tips. Where do those go? In the middle of the log cabin?
Yes. Let's
okay.
Get some pinkies.
So these are the size of your pinky finger. Can I see one? Let's see. Yeah, that's about right. The size of my pinky finger? Closer to your pinky. All right, where do those go? In the middle again? On top of the pencil lead? Okay, can I get all these? Right. What's next? All right, well these look a little bigger. Maybe the size of a pencil. Okay, a big pencil, a chunky pencil. All right. Okay, what's next?
Fat lighter.
Fat lighter.
Looks like this.
All right. So fat lighter's a special kind of wood with a lot of resin in it.
Yeah.
All right. We
only need to put 4 or 5 pieces.
4 or 5 pieces of fat lighter in?
I'm gonna put 4.
All right. So we should get a pretty good fire with that. Okay. What's next? Okay. So is this the time for a grown-up to help?
Yeah.
All right. So we're going to see how Ethan did. Started a hot fire. I think when this fire dies down a little bit, we'll be ready to make some dessert over the fire. How does that sound?
Good.
Good. What kind of dessert do you want, Ethan?
Oreos.
some Oreos. What do you want, Avery?
Strawberries and fluff. What do you want? S'moreos or strawberries and fluff?